To protect the princesses of the ramp from the outside, there are also hints of nail color and perfume, sharp notes of white clean traces, and always the inhabitants of the green room nor lean against the roughly hewn wooden boards. They are so dangerous, just grasp them. It is always dim backstage. Seasoned models and skulls from local fashion schools and the designer's team. Get out, get out. What the hell is going on? Who the fuck has let this guy in? Kya kar raha hai idhar? What are you doing here? Bahar ja. The shop man, head at navel level of the 6-foot divas, looks like a rabbit caught in a Guantanamo Bay stroke. For a nanosecond, then he missiles back to the side of the black curtain outside the room. Well, thank you. We leave you to enjoy your drinks. There's Pranita. Maria, you have to propose something.
I have to, yep, I just want to thank all of you for being here. I want to thank Malaika especially for coming here. I would leave everything to be here. You're a large part of the book, but still, you being here. A big thank you to Wendell for writing this book, and I really, it's one of the happiest books, which is absolutely great. An enormous thank you to Lakme Fashion Week for allowing us to have the launch of it. You to Anjana,
It couldn't have gone anywhere else.
a big thank you to who's been coordinating everything over here. I have to thank Jerome and Wendell's office because all of them have been immensely helpful just sending out advice.
Of all books, we have a club called Thank You for that day. And Shakun, where are you? Are you writing a film script or directing a play? Thank you for coming. Thank you one and all.
Thank you everybody. And this, the books are there, so please buy. And in case anybody misses out right now, we'll be having the books at the end.
And if you want to enjoy a drink, you have another 10 minutes after that.
We run a tight ship.
इस तरफ आ जाए वो इधर से ही जाएंगे यही रुकते हैं
So Malaika, how was the book cover?
Not just the cover. I think there's more to it than the cover. But they always say you judge a book by its cover, and I think if you go by the cover, you'll love the book. And I'm not saying that because I'm there, but I just think it kind of really grabs the essence of life backstage, of life, what it is like in the fashion business, which is fun. It's chaotic. It's vibrant, and I think that's what the book is all about. There are a lot of experiences of it. I think Wendell's one-on-one experiences that he's had over the years, over decades that he's been in the business, and I'm really happy and proud that I can be part of it.
Malaika, talking about the drama in the book, do you think that the film should be made on this book?
You never know. I think fashion has already been made, which is a life on fashion. So this is, well, you know, if somebody finds it absolutely mesmerizing to turn it into a film, I think you should.
इस पिक्चर के बारे में बताएंगे कब लिया गया था ये पिक्चर और क्या मेमोरीज हैं?
बहुत ही अच्छे मेमोरीज है. स्टिल रिमेंबर ये शो था वेंडल का पहला शो था गोवा में, and I was part of that show, and I still remember सारे जो models हैं सारे 6 feet tall models हैं, and I was like the shortest over there, so you know everybody was like all the girls are so tall and Malaika is really tiny, and I still remember the opening of the show, and I was wearing this outfit which was typical Goa. I think all his clothes were inspired by Goa, so I was wearing these coconut shells and coconut shell accessories, and I opened the show with it. And for me, it was one of the most memorable shows ever.
कभी खुद बुक लिखना चाहेंगे?
जी नहीं, not really. I would be happy to write a cookbook actually someday, hopefully.
What is your style mantra?
My style mantra? Well, it could be anything. My style depends on my mood. It all really does. But otherwise, I say keep it simple, keep it clean, and you'll never go wrong with that.
Malaika, क्या as a after producer क्या writer बनना चाहते? Because last time when we went there at the launch of that notebook, there you said कि एक app होना चाहिए जिसमें cooking app होना चाहिए. And today you are saying like you want. To
You asked me what book. Am I inclined to write a book? If I have to, then it would be. I'm somebody. People keep asking me tips. Hair tips, skin tips, fitness tips. Like these. For me, I like kind of delving into that. But if there's a book that I would really like to write, it would be something on cooking. That is something that I really enjoy. So probably someday. Well, it's Wendell's creation, and it's part of his new collection that he showcased at the Lakme Fashion Week, and I really like it because the colors there, it's really nice and pop and nice and happy, and I think it goes very well with the mood of the day. Thank you so much.